Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about how to generate HTML report with the charts. Okay, if you see our Cucumber place, we have already used for target Cucumber report.html. Okay, this is basically whenever you go for in the site target, the Cucumber report will be generated like this. Okay, you are not able to see the how much percentage and all a proper view of things you are not able to see. If you are enough for this particular report, that's fine. If you don't want, I want for more clear picture of that which we have created for, which is using for extended report while using TestNG one, right? This one, how we can able to use similar format of report, extend report only, but Cucumber built one. How we can able to use same chart, but we are going to generating for Cucumber standard format. Okay, there are three different kind of reports we have for this. Okay, normal report, okay, which I show in the Cucumber by default it is there. Okay, and second one is extend report and third is allo report. Okay, I have shown so many places in my allo report. Now I'm going to show for extended report. Okay, if you need for allo report for this particular report, comment on this video, then I can able to create another video for this. Okay, now how to generate for extend report. If you go to the packages, here we need to add one package. Okay, the package we need to use check dot grass shaper. Okay, the first one. Okay, then we need to use for extend reporters hyphen cucumber 7 adapter. Okay, and here we need to use the latest version of 4.14.0. Okay, compiler is not required, we can remove. Okay, here is basically whenever you are using this particular adapter, right? That Cucumber Java and Cucumber TestNG must be in 7 version above. Okay, don't choose for 6. If you choose 6, it may fail in your local. Okay, then we need to create one file which is resource location of file. File name is extent hyphen property properties. Okay, this property we need to create one extent a dot reporter dot spark dot start is equal to true. We are going to say for start for extend report after running that. Okay, extend dot reporter dot a spark a dot out. Out is nothing but output where we need to store. I'm going to store for target location slash extend hyphen report dot html. I'm saving now. Okay, now we have started our report and we stored into the one location. In runner class we are already using for this particular report. I don't want to use this one. Okay, now I'm going to use for here one particular report section. Okay, I'll commenting that a cucumber report. I don't want to generate that. Okay, okay, json colon target slash cucumber dot json. Okay, comma, and there is my com dot avent stack dot extent reports dot cucumber dot adapter dot extend cucumber adapter, and the last you have to mention for colon. Okay, colon is mandatory. If you are miss the colon, it will not be generate the report. Okay, now I saved and I'm running for sanity. Okay, it will run for one particular file. Okay, it may not be generate. What is that? As a problem. What was the problem? com.avent stack stack, correct? Extent extent reports reports cucumber dot adapter. Okay, adapter adapter. Okay, there is a is missed. Yes, passed. So one is got passed, and if we go place, see now you can see here it is there. Okay, if you expand this one, see the same report, it is come to here. Okay, now you can see tags also it is presented. You can see the tag. Once you click, that entire information will be there. And if you want charts, the charts will be presented here. Okay, like this you can able to create. Maybe you'll get one more question. Now I don't see here, there is no name. Here you can see extend dot reports.html. It is there, but I don't want this kind of name. I want my custom name. Okay, how you can able to create? For this we need to create one par configuration. Okay, that will allow you to create in case if the background white color you don't like, you want to make for dark. Okay, dark color, how you can able to make it? If you go here, the same resource location I can create for one park configuration. Okay, park hyphen config.xml file. Okay, inside that we need to create our extend report configuration cases. Okay, extend reports ext reports. Okay, and then configuration. My configuration theme is dark. Okay, I'm changing my color. Okay, now I need to change for my documentation document title. Okay, document title I'm mentioning for cucumber report. Okay, and then I'm going to change for report name. Okay, this is basically automation test results. Okay, I'm saving. Now this particular Spark I'm going to add for my extended report location. Okay, this extend report location I need to configure my case. Okay, up to here I'll copy. Okay, and dot config space. This is basically presented for src slash test slash resources slash spark hyphen config.xml file. Okay, I'm saved. Okay, now again I will run for this one. Done. Now you can see now it is dark color. Now you can see if you click, it will expand and click here. Now you can see automate test result and title will become a Cucumber report, and you can click anything and you can click for chart also. The dark color it will be there. Okay. You can add for even if you want for dashboard and test and category, then you need to see for exception and who is the author, this kind of things. If you want to use the viewing order, this orders, you can able to use that as well. Okay, that it will give you for good results. Okay, this way we can able to add for our extended report in our projects. Okay, next I have for two more videos. I'll finish this particular playlist in next two videos. Okay, one is I will run for multiple running for parallel test case and run for rerunning for failed test cases in a Cucumber format. Okay, once it is done, I'm going to create for GitHub Actions. For that, I will close that entire playlist. Okay, there is one more playlist called I just I'm not doing right now, like mobile automation testing using for Java. Okay, but the Appium. Okay, there is a slight issue is there in my system. Once the configuration issue is resolved, then I'll update for that particular mobile automation as well. Okay, until that, thank you. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to share you and like this video. Thank you.